Hey, it's your host Sauce from the Viral Kingdom, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to do the Bitmoji transition that you've probably seen all over TikTok that's currently going around. It's this new trend, and I'm going to be showing you how to do that very quickly today. Before I do get into that, I do have to ask you guys, please go down, leave a like on this video. It helps it out in the algorithm, and also consider subscribing to the channel as we constantly post TikTok tutorials every single week. So if you're into that kind of content, make sure you do subscribe so we can hit our end goal of 100,000 subscribers. Without further ado, let's get right into the tutorial. So what you want to do is have TikTok and then also have the app called Snapchat downloaded. Now I'm sure many of you already have Snapchat, and if you don't have Snapchat, there's a thing on Snapchat called a Bitmoji, and that's what you want to create. So once your Bitmoji is created, or you want to go create one, you can go to the top left on Snapchat and click right here, and then you can go to edit your Bitmoji. Then you can edit your Bitmoji to however you like. For this tutorial, you want your Bitmoji to look as similar as possible to you. That's the whole point of the trend. So I'm just going to make this Bitmoji really quick right here. Obviously I'm kind of trolling as Bitmoji doesn't look anything like me, but once you're done doing that, you just want to hit save, and then you want to go to change outfit, and that's going to give the full image of your Bitmoji, and then you want to take a screenshot of that. Once you have that screenshot, you want to go to your photos so you can edit that screenshot you took and go to edit and then crop it so just the Bitmoji is in the picture. Once you're done cropping it, save that image, and then you want to take it over to TikTok and find this sound right here, and I'll have it linked down in the description. You also want to use this effect right here that has the purple backing, and it's called reverse shape shifting. Then you'll see your cropped Bitmoji in the picture selection here, and if you don't see it, you can just hit the plus icon and then all your photos will pop up, and then you can click it, and then bam, all you have to do is record your video and it will automatically transition into your face. It's very cool, and I hope that sums everything up. If it did, make sure you guys leave a like on this video, subscribe to the channel for more TikTok related content, and I hope you guys have yourselves a great rest of your day. Peace. See you guys later.